you want to flip it over, and you're going to repeat what we've just done, folding to the middle crease, taking the side and folding it to the middle crease all the way up. So you just fold that right to the middle crease and then firmly crease that down. And again on this side, folding to the middle crease and firmly creasing that. Now you have sort of a triangular tie looking thing, and you're going to fold the whole thing down so that the tip will be about 3/4 of an inch from the tail. So this section right here is 3/4 of an inch, and you're folding down there, and you want to crease that pretty firmly here. Okay, so we've just taken our tie looking thing and folded it down so that our tip is 3/4 of an inch from the end of the tail. And then to make the head, we're going to fold down about 3/4 of an inch for the head. And that's the way you could send your swan in an envelope, just like that, flat. But you'll need to tell the recipient that to open it, they must first fold it in half, like this, and then pinch the bottom section and grasp the next section and just pull it up like this. And then pinch the bottom and pull up the head the same way, pinching. And there's your beautiful swan.